So Khushi, I will be interacting with you for next 30 to 45 minutes. You are permitted to communicate in English only.
Okay,
Fine?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am very delighted seeing you that you have qualified NDA written examination that was conducted first time in India, and you have secured the grade, and now you are here for SSB interview, right?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me why you appeared for NDA written exam, okay, and also tell me how did you prepare for written examination. Tell me about your family background in detail, and let me know about your interest, your hobbies, and why do you want to join NDA, and also tell me your 3 strengths and 3 weaknesses.
Sir, talking about why I appeared for NDA exam is I was always fascinated by armed forces, the technology, new technology they use, and since I was inclined towards PCM, so I always wanted something of that sort because their lifestyle is something which always attracted me. Their dedication towards their job and how much they hard work for the service is something which always attracted me. And talking about how I prepared, so my preparation since for last 2 years, since my class 11th, I was preparing for JEE mains. So, so the syllabus of maths is like that or similar to that. So for that means I was prepared for maths with my that preparation, and I gave a little more towards GAT because English and other subjects are included. So like that I prepared for my written examination. Talking about my family background, my father is in Indian Army. He is currently posted in Leh and Ladakh, and my mother is a housewife, and now currently we are living in Lucknow, and my brother is pursuing his BSc Computer Science degree, and he is in his second year, and we actually hail from Devariya, but now we are living in Lucknow. And talking about my hobbies and interests, my hobby is doing yoga, and my interest is in cooking, and sir, I'm forgetting few questions, last questions.
Okay, not an issue. So your father is serving in army. What is his rank?
Sir, he is Subedar.
He is Subedar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what all you have learned from your father, and also tell me what you have preferred to join after joining NDA, the Army, Air Force or Navy. So, and why?
Sir, my father is very punctual and he is very hardworking. He is very disciplined. He completes his task on time, and he is a very clear point of view on any topic, which actually inspires me a lot. And I have preferred Indian Air Force because I feel I have always been fascinated by aircrafts, various aircrafts they use, and also there is this ground duty technical branch. I feel I can contribute in that particular branch my best. That's why, sir, I have selected.
Why not for flying?
Sir, flying, I don't think, sir. I am not physically fit since my eyesight is not 6/6.
What is your eyesight?
Sir, it is minus 1.5 both.
So you are fit for ground duty?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what are the ground duty branches available in Air Force?
Sorry, sir, I am not currently aware about it completely.
Then why you applied for ground duty if you are not aware?
Sir, since I knew there are various few works, I am not clearly aware about it. I have read it, so that's why, sir, I am not able to give the answer.
Do you know name of 3 fighter aircraft?
Fighter aircraft, talking about fighter aircraft, there is Rafale, then MiG-20, and also Sukhoi.
First time I have heard about MiG-20.
Sorry, sir, I
haven't
think,
heard about this aircraft.
sir, I
Is it
think
there in the inventory of IAF? It is MiG-21.
MiG-21. Yes, sir.
What is another name of MiG-21 variant?
So I don't know, sir.
Okay, you have preferred Air Force, right?
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell me 5 changes in last 5 years? What are the 5 recent changes?
Sir, the changes which I can recall now is under Make in India projects, many equipments related to Air Force and also defense technologies are being invented, and also researched upon in India. And recently Rajnath Singh has said that all the equipments will be made in India under Make in India project. So various corridors are also being opened, like defense corridor in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And so this is what I know.
Okay. So can you tell me about the ALG, that was a recent upgradation made by the Air Force in the eastern part of India? That is namely ALG, Advanced Landing Ground. Do you have some idea about it?
No sir, I don't have idea.
Okay, Khushi. So tell me, like your father is serving in army. Why
Yes, sir.
you have not chosen army?
So there is not something like that. I have not chosen army. I have always been fascinated by all three branches, but I feel I can give my best in Indian Air Force, as I have been technically inclined, and there is this BTech doing, considering BTech, because I have always been fascinated since last 2 years. Also, I was preparing for BTech, so I think for engineering that will be a good, means something that will suit me better.
Okay, but Khushi, if you discuss about armed forces establishment and the environment,
Yes.
it is mostly technical in army and navy also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they have missile system, they have guns, they have tanks,
Yes.
they also have their army aviation.
Yes.
So I think unlike similarly like Air Force, Army and Navy also, they have technical environment.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I believe that I will be joining any of the three forces if I get recommended. But my special inclination towards Air Force is because when I was, especially when I was in first standard to third standard, I was in Indian Air Force. And from that point of time, it was somewhere inside me that I wanted to join. I have seen the environment well. Not like I have not seen army environment, but that is something, their blue dress fascinated me a lot.
Okay. So can you tell me the name of three radar or three helicopters?
Helicopters, there is Cheetah and Chetak and Dhruv.
Dhruv.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And name of radar?
So I am unaware about it.
Do you know the difference between cruise and ballistic missile?
So no, sir, I am not aware.
Okay. So how did you prepare for your SSB?
Sir, for SSB, I was I attended a coaching institute since I wanted more exposure towards, since it was for girls, it was first time, and I was also not that much aware about how the procedure is. That's why I attended a coaching institute for 21 days.
Okay. So what all you have learned here till now here at Centurion Defense Academy?
So till now, I have learned various things, like delivering, how to deliver your point of view clearly, how to present yourself so well that the person should understand. Your thought should not be with yourself, it should be reflected within you. So that is what I have learned.
Okay. How many friends you have, and also tell me how's your bonding with your brother and with your parents?
So talking about my friend circle, is very big, since my father was in Indian Army. We used to get transfers. So in Amritsar, my closest friend was Ashpreet Kaur, and then in Tamil Nadu, Trichy, my best friends were Lekha Shri and Divyadarshini. Both were my best friends, and there were many other friends also, and their qualities were, they were very, Lekha, she was a very good singer, and Divyadarshini was very good in art and crafts. These qualities always fascinated me, since I also wanted to do something of that sort. And talking about my bonding with my parents is very friendly, and they are very supportive to me. They always encourage me doing various different kind of activities. They have never been like, you should select branches, that like nowadays studies has become priorities for children, but for me it was never, the situation was never that. And yes,
Okay, Khushi, you are from Lucknow, right?
yes, sir.
So can you tell me name of district magistrate and MLA and MP of your constituency from where you belong to?
So MLA is Rajnath Singh,
Are you
and
sure about it?
I'm not sure, and so I'm not sure about DM.
Okay, can you tell me the neighboring districts, those who touch border of Lucknow?
So no, sir, I cannot tell all the districts.
So recently, that was the first evening of New Year 2022. Okay, so how you have enjoyed it?
So since it was a COVID situation, kind of Omicron variant is growing, so we were at our homes, and there itself we enjoyed talking to each other, talking to family. That is how we enjoyed our New Year, wishing to each other.
Okay, so recently, the induct of girls in NDA,
Yes, sir.
that was the landmark judgment, and the kind of innovation and kind of women empowerment made by the honorable government and also initiative of honorable Supreme Court. What is your remark in this?
So I feel it is a very good opportunity for all the girls, because they have gotten a platform where they can actually show that they also have that potential. And since it was also very important, because it is a democratic country, each and every individual should have that right to at least present themselves, and we are ready to go through all such parameters set by the boards. So why not? It was a very good decision taken by the government, and we all will definitely prove ourselves.
And there is a contradiction and there is a belief among people that girls cannot perform when we compare them with boys in battlefield. So, what is the suitable role to be assigned to girls when they pass out from NDA? Should they be treated equally same as boys, or you have different opinion? Can you explain?
So I feel since they are going through the same parameters, so they shouldn't be treated something different. We are ready to perform even in battlefields. If we are talking that girls shouldn't be in battlefields, it is not the case. And the thing is, if we are ready, then definitely it shouldn't be any sort of question in anybody's mind. And we are ready. If it should be in our hands what we want. If we have the strength, we have the guts, then definitely it should be given. It shouldn't be any question actually.
Okay, what are the 5 changes you will make in you once you get recommendation and join respective training, that is National Defence Academy?
So 5 changes that I see now is my food habits. I feel it's a little, it's not in routine. I will change my food habits. Then also, I think I will improve in how to be more interactive with our friends around, and also how to be lively. This is what I think I can.
You're not lively.
I am lively, but
Who told you?
still I feel due to COVID pandemic, we all were enclosed in our homes, so
Okay.
for that
Tell
reason.
me 2 more areas where you need improvements.
That is my food habits actually, I feel.
Already you have shared. Tell me
Yes,
2
sir.
more.
2 more. So I don't think so, any other.
Otherwise you are perfect to be selected for NDA.
Yes, sir.
Why should I select you?
So because I am ready to perform whatever the task given to me, and I am ready to do hard work, and also because I am very determined and goal oriented person. Whatever I decide, I do it, and it is on time. That's why I feel I
You are
should
not
be selected.
in this attempt. What is your next plan? What is your goal setting?
So my next plan will be to try for the next time, prepare, improve. If any weaknesses I have, I will work upon it.
You
And
are getting convinced with me that you will not be selected.
no, sir, it is not. I'm saying if in case, then I will try for next
Are you
time.
not confident?
So I am confident, sir.
So it means you are going to get recommendation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After joining Air Force, for example, you have joined successfully, you complete your training and you join Indian Air Force.
Yes, sir.
Do you have some specific goal, some specific choice after wearing blue uniform, that is your uniform of your choice? Do you have some specific goal?
Yes, sir. I feel I want to work for the various technology nowadays. Make in India is something which is in force. So I would want myself to contribute in that direction to Indian defense.
Right, right. Can you tell me 5 international and 5 national news?
Five. Talking about 5 international news nowadays, Omicron variant is in its peak, and in India also in various states, almost 30 states, it has reached, and also India and China has they have come forward to help South African countries especially, where all other countries have shut down their ways, and so sorry sir, I cannot recall now.
Okay, not an issue. So, Khushi, at last I would like to know, like, how many marks you are expecting in written examination, and are you aware about the marking system? How many marks cutoff mark is there for SSB interview? Are you aware?
No, sir, I am not aware. But about written examination for mathematics, it is 25% and above, and for GAT, similar 25%. But to be in a merit list, you should get at least above 350.
Can you tell me name who is the chief of air staff currently?
Chief of VK Chaudhary.
Civilian VK Chaudhary.
No, sir.
What is his rank?
Air Marshal VK Chaudhary.
Air Marshal or Air Chief Marshal?
Air Chief Marshal VK Chaudhary.
Okay, Khushi, all the best and wish you good luck.
Yes, sir.
And I am expecting you good result this time.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.